successfully. Where's my other phone? Oh, it's not yet time, friend. It's not relax. Maybe 1 hour time.
Yeah.
1 hour time. It's only 1 hour. And I'm day waiting. Not sure. Okay, guys. Good evening. Yeah, I hope you are all doing well. I'm actually late, but bear with me. I had to go somewhere. Kindly share the live. 30 people or more before we start. Okay. So share the live. Guys, kindly share the live, okay? 30 people before we start. So keep sharing. Okay? So that's the topic for today. So make sure you share the live, share. 30 people or more before we start, okay? 30 people or more before we start. I'm located at Wenchipuno region. Oh, okay. Yeah, late today. Yeah. I actually went somewhere and I got back a few minutes ago. And my battery was also down a little, so I had to charge. Alright. Okay, so we have 37 members. We can actually get started. Okay. But guys, still kindly share the live. Share. Let's hit like 100 views today. Okay. Yeah, bro, I'm doing very well. So how was your weekend? How was your Easter holidays? Now a new month has begun, and as you guys can see, gold is actually mad. Okay, gold is mad. So if you are not careful, now the topic for today, like I said, identifying breakout. So far we are done with market structure, we are done with candle patterns, and we are also done with support and resistance. Yeah, gold tier chains. All right, so let's look at how to identify breakouts. Okay, I think we've already learned support and resistance, so learning breakout is good. How are you going to identify? Like, how would you know that this pattern has been broken? Okay, the market is pushing it down. Now we have first touch, we have second touch, we have third touch, and the market keeps dropping. There was a support here, so there was supposed to be a pullback for the on the fourth touch, but instead it closed or it broke this level. How would you know that this is a good breakout, a correct breakout, or a fake breakout? That's what we are going to learn today. Okay. Missed a lot. We are just started. You haven't missed anything. Yeah. So to get started, this is how you should supposed to know. For you to know that the market has been broken, first of all, it is important or it is necessary to use line charts. Okay. Most of the time, the candles will tell you it has not broken yet, but when you turn to line charts, you realize that it has broken already. Okay, so that's why if you watch my videos a lot, you realize that I use line charts and I use candlesticks, I use line with markers, three charts. Okay, and with the line chart, it will help you as soon as you see that this is a level. Okay, this is the level, and the line has passed this level. It means that level has been broken. Okay, according to line chart, once you see that it has passed below or it has closed above like this, okay, it has been broken already. Now what you have to also know is that, what if this particular time frame, you are using 30-minute time frame and you saw 30-minute breakout, all right, but you went to H1 and H1 has not broken yet, should you still consider the level being broken? That's question for you. Any idea? I don't know if you get the question. You are using 30 minutes time frame, okay, and according to 30 minutes, you saw that it has broken this trend line. All right, as this is the first touch, second touch, third touch, so on the fourth touch it broke. Using line chart or candlesticks, you saw that the market has broken above, or a strong candle has closed above this level. Based on 30 minutes, are you going to say that the level has been broken, so you are going to buy, or you will go to H1 and look at what H1 is doing? You went to H1 and the H1 candle has not closed yet. What will you do? H1 candle has not closed yet, but 30 minutes candle has closed above the zone. What will you do? More answers, more answers. What are you going to do? Guys, share the live, share the live. Only 36 people. What are you going to do? I'll wait for H1 to close. Wait for the candle to close. The level hasn't broken, so I'll wait. Exactly. So what you'll have to do is to wait for the H1 to close as well. If H1 closes above the zone, then confirmed that the level is broken, so you wait for a pullback and then you keep buying. All right, as long as 30 minutes has broken but H1 has not broken, if you buy, you may be in a deep shit because H1 can still close below, and you know what happens if a candle closes below a zone. It means it has respected the zone, so it will keep selling again. All right, so it has to break the level for you to know that indeed it has been broken, and that is H1. So you will have to wait for the H1 candle to also close before you would know that this is actually a good breakout. Another one. You have two zones. I'm using this like ranging markets, okay, so that you will actually understand the concept. When you it has to close with the body. Exactly. So this is our range, okay, and the market is trading between this range, and when it reached this level, it broke it like this. H1 time frame broke it, okay, but H4 time frame still has 2 hours before this level will close. The H4 candle will close. All right, what are you going to do now? you see that 30 minutes has been broken, H1 is broken, but H4 is left to 2 hours before H4 candle will close. Are you going to enter buy, or you are going to wait for H4 candle to close before you enter? What do you think, or what are you going to do in this scenario? What are you going to do? Wait for each candle to H4. Bye. Okay. More answers. I want to know what you will do to know if you truly understand, or what are you going to do. So let me know. More answers. At least 10 people should comment on this. Let me know your idea about it. You want to buy, okay? You have been waiting for this range for a long time. Alright, and now 30 minutes candle close above, H1 candle close above, but H4 candle has not closed because it still has 2 hours. It still has 2 hours before it will close. What are you going to do? Are you going to wait for H4 candle to close, or you are going to buy? What are you going to do? Wait for H4 to close. This is pure price action. Yeah. What are you going to do, guys? More answers. 30 minutes breakout is usually a takeout, but H1 breakout will hold. Okay. So what will you do? What will you do? Alright. I don't know if these people actually understand the questions. Alright. So in this case, if it is me, as long as H1 candle has closed, H4 candle has closed, first of all, what I will look is, what was the previous H4 candle? Okay? The previous H4 candle, was it strong bullish, or it was something else? Was the previous H4 candle gave a signal for a buy? If that is the case, and now 30 minutes has broken above this, H1 has broken above, I will wait for a retest and I will buy, whether the H4 is closed or not. Okay? Let me read your answer. If the H1 candle closed with a strong bullish candle, then I will enter. Okay. My network is not really strong. Okay. Yeah. So, bro, you are actually right. Okay. You are not wrong. If the H1 candle closes strongly above 30, by then 30 minutes will give you either a break and retest. Okay. For the H1 candle to close that strong, 30 minutes will close bullish, maybe 2 bullish candles. Alright. And that is also another confirmation for you to look for a pullback and a continuation buy. Okay? Yeah. So whether the H4 candle has closed or not, you can still buy with the confirmation you have right here. Guys, is it clear? If you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. So we will be turning into the chat and look for more examples. Okay? Something is funny. Okay. Yeah, I have read it. I'm reading it. Can we look for a pullback on the 15 minutes time frame? It depends on your entry time frame. Yes, you can look for pullback on 15 minutes. Okay, you can look for 15 minutes pullback, 30 minutes pullback, even 5 minutes pullback, but I don't rely on 5 minutes. These days, I don't also take my entries on 15 minutes. It's 30 minutes alone and 1 hour. Alright, yeah. So once the zone is broken, you will have to get a strong candle. Sometimes, some people will be waiting to see multiple candles to break it before they will know it has been broken. But let me tell you, if you are using line chart, that's why most of the time I use the line chart. Who else is in the room with you? Bro, the board, focus on the board, not who is in the room with me. Okay? No, not physical students, not physical students. Okay, yeah, so once a single candle breaks, based on how strong that candle is, it will tell you whether the zone is broken or not. So it's not all the time that you should focus on seeing plenty candles to break it before you see that the zone is broken. Sometimes you are going to see just one candle and another candle will pull back. Okay, so one candle will break, another candle will break to the downside, then you will take the buy. Okay, so this is it. This is the first bullish candle that closed above the zone. Okay, this is the zone, and now this candle, bullish candle, has closed above it. You are going to see another bearish candle like this, and it will also close up on the zone, exactly on the zone like this. Okay, as soon as this candle closes on the zone, you will see that another bullish candle will open to the moon like this. Okay, so if you are waiting to see plenty candles here before you realize the zone is broken, this market will go without you. Okay, this market will go without you. Alright, so take note of this. It is not always that you are going to see multiple candles before you realize that the zone is broken. Sometimes you see just one candle like this. Okay, one candle. The zone has been respecting the level for long. Then this particular candle will close above, strongly close above. Sometimes it will not even be this long. It will not even be this long. Just like this. Okay, yeah, sometimes just like this, very short. But if you turn to line chart, you realize that that candle closed above. As soon as you see this, bro, do not wait to see multiple candles before you buy, unless maybe you are a swinger. Okay, if you are a swinger, you will have to get multiple candlesticks before you go into this market. But if you are a day trader like myself and a scalper, this is enough. Okay, this is enough confirmation that the zone is broken, so you will get a retest. Sometimes this retest can happen, sometimes too this is what is going to happen. As the candle is dropping, it will open from here and drops like this. Okay, bearish, then it will close bullish, leaving a wick. Okay, so if you are waiting to see multiple candles, this particular trade will leave you. Some happened last week, and I'm going to show you the line chart and the candlestick, which one is accurate. I prefer the line chart. No, it's too like, it's too close. Yeah, this is better. This is better. Yeah. So sometimes you are going to see this. Okay. After this breakout, the next candle will drop like a bearish candle, and then automatically it will just rise up, closing above, giving you a bullish candle. So if you are waiting to see multiple candle breakout, this market will leave you. Have you seen most times on gold doing this particular pattern here? Oh, have you seen this kind of pattern before? I'm going to show you some on the chart. Okay, I'm going to show you some on the chart and you will understand. Guys, do you get it? If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask before we go to the chart. Did that on H4 on Thursday. Okay. Guys, any question? You actually need to pay more attention to the candles and the chart, how it behaves. It will help you to know, okay, when I see this, it means there is likely possibility for this to happen next. Okay, and that is what helps you to gain more advantage in the market. All right. Hey, but this rider, he wants to take eternity to come on. Friend. Guys, any question? If there is no question, oh fuck me. Let's go to the chat. Okay. All right. If you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. Let's use this one. Okay, so guys, if you look at this particular trade right here, look here, you see this level, okay? Look at this particular level, and after this candle closure tells you that this level has been broken. How are you going to know? Let me turn to line chart. Go out there. What's over here? If I here, bro. If I here. No, but I say what my come market. You am blocking no. Now I'm back. Bro, here now I'm. How? Because me the Uber ni free, me the Uber ni free to me buy. Okay, who bibi? Kofralina dine ho me mo bia be hia wo. Okay. Fralina. Aye. Yeah, ain't it? Because maybe I mean small class, but it means me share me will be about the share here. Why? Ain't it? So with me, with my transaction. Yeah. So maybe that maybe share for the first time. Bring her on my. Guys, excuse me, okay. Hey, 15 cities. Okay, that's the delivery. I need them to Canada. It's a delivery fee. Rain is falling here. Okay, so guys, now let's get back to business. Okay, sorry. Please post the videos on Telegram community because my network is shaking. But you are in the library. And you have access to it, bro. Your network is not working. Okay. Rain is falling. Okay, so look at this. Let me turn to line chart. Like I was saying, let me turn to line chart. Okay, if I turn to line chart, you see what is happening right here? So according to line chart, look here, you see that that strong candle broke it. It closed above that level, breakout, and look at what happened. A retest and to the moon. So let me turn it back to candlesticks, and then you will appreciate how to read the candles. Now look at it. You can see that where I put the line, it is above all the candles. The wicks doesn't really matter. When you are doing this thing, don't focus on the wicks. The wicks are just high prices and low prices. Okay? They don't really count when you are making trading decisions. Okay? That's why when I turn to line chart, you will see that you are not going to see these wicks. Let me show you. When you turn to line chart, you are not going to see those wicks. Hey, stop it. You are not going to see those wicks. Look at it. No wick here. Okay? So that is why all my zones, I draw my zones focusing on the bodies. Okay? And not the wicks. Alright? If you have not joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. So after this candle closed above, look at what happened. This 1 hour candle bearish closed, went back, testing the level, and then another push. Let me show you this particular candle alone, how many pips. So if you are a scalper, I'm sure you will hit your targets with that particular candle. Okay, let me show you. That was it. Do you know how many pips? 100 pips, 104 pips. This bullish candle after that breakout, okay, after this particular candle, that pullback, this bullish candle alone is 100 pips. Okay, so if you are trading this breakout and retest, this alone would make you hit your target for the day. All right. Now after that, there was still a strong bearish candle, but because of the breakout, you see a strong breakout. So this candle was still a pullback, was testing the level again for the second time for a continuation push, because the orders the buyers loaded here was little. So they had to come back again, load more orders and push. That's why you saw that the candle after this bearish candle, look at what happened. Strong bullish to the moon. Okay, so but they count in lower time frames. Yes, that it all depends on the kind of a trader you are, bro. It depends on the kind of a trader you are. If you go to the lower time frames, they make sense. That is why, look at it. I drew a line there, and if you come here, oh, let me remove this. If you come here, you see where it rejected. It still reacted to it. I'm not saying it doesn't matter, like it's not necessary at all. It is. Okay? It is. But when you are drawing zones, or when you are marking zones, those wicks are not really part of them. So what you have to do is to do more backtesting. Backtest more, and you are going to understand what I'm trying to say. Okay? If you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. Alright, so after that strong candle, if you are still, sometimes you are not going to see this. I'm going to show you an example where after this candle, just one particular candle broke out, another candle retested and it flew. It is just down here. Oh fuck, not this. Okay, guys, look at here. Maybe I should expand it for you guys to see it clearly. Okay, good. Look here, okay? Look at this level. You see that this was a resistance. And after market came here, it reacted to this level, okay? It broke to the upside, broke to the downside, reacted to the level, respected it multiple times, and then this particular candle broke it. Do you guys remember this buy? Do you guys remember this buy? We enjoyed massively from this. Okay? Yeah, I have done that, and I'm sure it's clear now. So after this candle closed above, let me show you 10 to line chart. How did I know that the candle closed above? Look at that. Okay? Look at this. Strongly closed above. So I was waiting for a retest, and look at what happened. Look at what happened. H1 candle pulled back, testing the breakout, and after that, what happened to the moon? Okay, so if you were waiting to see multiple candles before you buy, you missed it. Okay, you missed it. So it is not always that you are going to see this kind of breakout and retest. It's not always you are going to see this once. Sometimes you will see just one breakout, one pullback candle, and the market will fly to the moon. Okay? Scared you to death. Yeah. So what you have to do is to pay much attention to the chart. Okay? That is what you need. Pay much attention to the chart. Whatever you see, observe it clearly. Observe it well. Alright, if not, you will be in a deep shit. The market will leave you and you will go and enter wrong. And then you will regret it later. Okay, so when you see that a candle has closed above, there are some instances as well whereby you will see that the candle has closed, but the higher time frames has not closed. That was what I explained here. Okay, so if 30-minute candle has closed but H1 candle has not closed, don't be too quick to jump into the market. Okay, because by the time the H1 candle closes, it may reverse and you realize that you are in a deep shit. It happened some time ago. I'm not sure because this account, I'm not sure I can show you that particular chart, but it was something else. Okay, after it broke, I think 15-minute candle closed strongly above the zone, so a lot of people thought the market is buying. Okay, so after, yeah, somebody was calling, that's why, sorry guys, a call came in. There was a breakout, okay, a 15-minute breakout to a particular level, and after that a lot of people saw that, oh, this is a breakout, so let me wait for a pullback and buy. But H1 has not closed yet. Okay, H1 has not closed yet. So as soon as the H1 candle closed, it closed strong bearish, leaving a wick at the top, and a lot of people were bleeding. Okay, so you have to be careful when you are looking out for breakouts. Make sure you have, if you are a day trader, consider H1 breakouts, H4 breakouts, sometimes 30 minutes breakouts. Okay, but before you make a decision on 30 minutes time frame, what's that? Make sure that H4 time frame has closed. Okay, exactly. What's happening? This laptop. Make sure the higher time frame has also broken. If not, you will be in a deep shit. My network is messing up. A call came in, and that is why the network is messing up. Is it still misbehaving? If it's still doing that, maybe I will end the live and start again. Yeah, they turn liquidities. So when you see such things, what you have to do is to wait and watch it carefully. Let me show you another thing here. I don't know. It's not actually looking nice. Okay, let me show you another thing. You see this breakout, okay? Look at this breakout. It broke 1, 2 strong candles, okay? So if you are looking for a retest, I'm not sure one single candle can give you this kind of retest. That's why it gave multiple candles, and it's also consolidated on the zone for some time before breaking to the upside again. But overall, if you knew that this was a breakout, so the first confirmation was that this level has been broken already, okay? To the downside, it broke to the upside, it broke to the downside. So another break to the upside is a confirmation that the market is ready to push up. Okay, the market is ready to push up. So maybe it's in night mode. Your PC is in night mode. Maybe. You're a good teacher, bro. Thanks, bro. It's stable now. Okay, that's good. The higher the time frame, the stronger the breakout. Exactly. So as soon as this candle broke, I knew, because if you look at it, you can see that it closed above all this, and also above the opening of this bearish candle. Look at how strong that bearish candle is. It closed above the opening of that bearish candle, and also above all these candles. So it was a confirmation to me that the zone has been broken and the market was ready to fly. And that was what happened. Okay, so you have to be careful. Now look at this level. Look here. You can see that after this candle went all the way up, it created a resistance after it dropped, right? Look at this bullish candle. It also closed somewhere here. Another bearish candle. So this level became a resistance. Okay, this level right here, can you guys see? Oh, you're not seeing it clearly. Let me bring it a little down and expand it. Zoom it out. Yeah, now it's clear. Good. So you see, all these candles, if you look at the top gave you a resistance, right? Yes. And now this particular candle closed above strong bullish. So that is why I have my zone here, waiting for the market to test that breakout, and I will still buy. Okay, so watch out for this level 22.22. Watch out for 22.22 level and see what will happen. Even though this resistance is not that strong, why? Because there is a strong resistance here, but the market will still react to this and give you like 30 pips or even 50 pips buy on this particular zone before it will break it and come to this major zone here. Okay, watch out for that. All right, so always pay attention to the candles, pay attention to exactly what it does at a certain point, every point in time. That will help you to make some good decisions. Any question? Dansoman, I'm in Kumasi, bro. Any question? If you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. And if you haven't followed me, you can follow me now as well. Also, do a favor, share the live, share. Okay? Alright, say I'm good. Don't say we good, say I'm good, bro. Yeah, because somebody may have a question. Say I'm good. Okay, so let's look at today. Those of you who watch the Outlook in the morning, I told you this is a tweezer top formation and the market may sell, but I'm not interested in selling. Do you remember? Those of you who watched, do you recommend Binance? Yeah, I use Binance for my transactions. Those of you who watch this video, the video in the morning, I told you Now it has formed another all-time high. And yesterday when the market opened and it started pushing up, someone contacted me and was like, where is gold going to? And remember, the day I was teaching you support and resistance, I told you, when the markets reach an all-time high, use psychological levels to trade them. Okay? Should we set pending orders? No, don't make that mistake. I can't find the Telegram link. Oh, it's there, bro. Just go here. Okay? Go here. You click that. Okay? Then you click here. Then you will see the link right here. Once it opens, scroll down. Yeah, PiP Hunter community. That's the Telegram channel. Okay, PiP Hunter community is the Telegram channel. This is my XNS link. This is my XNS Kortana BD Sways Instagram, YouTube. PiP Hunter community. That's the Telegram channel. Okay. Why did you call me? You knew I can't speak. And you couldn't send it to him. Okay, so when I'm done, I'll send it to you. Yeah, so guys, you can just join. Okay, it's quite simple. It's quite simple. No, am I? So one number. All right, so don't set any pending order. Okay. Yeah. So I told you this is a tweezer top formation. So the market is likely to sell. And it is because it was also at it passed 60 to 65 or 66, a psychological level here. Okay, so there was a potential for the market to drop. And look at how about 330 pips from here to here, 330 pips. But I didn't place a single trade today. I told you guys I'm not trading, so I didn't trade. Okay. What was his answer? I just joined. Which answer? Should we set pending orders? I said no. Don't set any pending order anywhere. You just want to make money every single opportunity you get. Don't set any pending order. Wait for the market to come because it can still drop to somewhere here. Let me show you something. You see, this level, it can come all the way to 22.16. to tap here and then pushes up to somewhere 22.30 before it can drop all the way here. So do not be in a hurry to set any pending order. Okay, don't set any pending order. Psychological levels, there are levels in the market where orders has been placed already. Okay, so guys, it's quite simple. All right, but you have to practice. For you to understand this thing, you have to practice, and practice. If not, you will not understand. So look at here. You can see that. Look at what happened. There was a dip, and that was to tell you that there was a resistance there. So anytime you see that symbol, okay, that symbol looks like A. The top is a resistance. Take note of that. When you see an A form, the top there is a resistance. Here is a resistance. Now it has broken. This is a support. The support has also been broken. So here has also become a support. Okay? Oh, fuck me. What is that? Good. So you see here, now this level has also become resistance because it has broken. This was previous support. So V stands for support, A stands for resistance, okay? And as soon as the V breaks, it becomes an A or a resistance, right? So whenever the market goes there, it drops. Oh, you guys can eat. Whole number exactly. Thank you. Guys, I hope it's clear. Yeah, so when I turn to line charts, you see what happened right here. So when the market goes back to there, from 47 to somewhere 50, the market will still drop from there. Do not set any pending order. Okay? Do not set any pending order. Alright. Yeah. Guys, any question? 7:20. We've spent almost 1 hour. Any question? 46 minutes. Today the class will not be a little much longer. We're not going to spend much time because this is just a simple topic. So now you know how the fake breakouts are, and you get the fake breakout when the lower time frame has been broken but the higher time frame has not been broken. Okay, those are the terms, or those are the scenarios, the circumstances, the situations where fake out occurs. Okay, you will see that the lower time frame there has been a breakout, but the higher time frames there has not been broken. Okay, so if you enter based on that breakout and the higher time frame has not been broken, the market will still sell down and hit your stop loss, and that is the breakout. Okay, the fake out or the fake breakout. Okay, can you go over the last part? I said for a fake out to occur, there will be a breakout in the lower time frames where there has not been any breakout in the higher time frames. So sometimes you will see that there has been a breakout nicely, but when you look at the higher time frames, you will see a wick, a long wick, meaning the breakout was a fake out. There was no breakout. Okay, so the breakout only occurred in the lower time frame but never broken in the higher time frames. So that is the fake out. It will mess your life. Guys, do you understand? So for you to get that, for you to confirm that there has been a breakout, make sure, if you are a day trader, consider H1 breakout. Okay? Do not focus on 15 minutes breakout. Do not focus on 5 minutes breakout. Focus on 30 minutes breakout, but H1 breakouts are solid. Okay? H1 breakouts are solid, but 30 minutes can fail. 15 minutes fails easily. 5 minutes, I'll not even talk about it. Okay? So focus on 30 minutes breakout. Sometimes it fails. H1 breakouts, H4 breakouts, daily, risk your entire account. But remember this. The fact that the level has been broken doesn't mean that your stop loss can't be hit, because there are liquidities. They can still grab liquidity. Buy air condition. I will. I will. Okay, you can also buy one for me now. Okay, you can also buy one for me. Yeah, so as long as the level has been broken doesn't mean your stop loss can't be hit. This is the reason. You will see that. Look at this. Let me show you something here. A lot of people will buy here. You see, this is also another breakout, right? Another breakout. So somebody will buy here and put a stop loss just here, because this is also another breakout. All right, and what happened? Look at this candle. This is a liquidity candle. Why is it a liquidity candle? Because this is also another zone that got broken. Okay, so it was testing this major zone, but a lot of people will be focusing on this minor zone, and at the end of the day their stop losses will be hit. Okay, their stop losses will be hit. All right, so the fact that a zone has been broken, when you identify 2 zones or more zones Wait for the significant zone. Don't focus on all, don't try to buy or sell from all the zones. Look for the significant ones, have patience and wait for the market to get to your significant zone before you buy or before you sell. Is that clear? What if H1 candle closes with a long wick and a bearish doji? Can I enter sell? It depends on the zone. It depends on the zone. I'll buy one for you. Okay, I'll be waiting for it. It depends on the zone. Okay. So for example, let me use this. Okay. So we have this as our zone. Okay. This is our zone. And now, oh, let me use the board. I think the board will help me a lot. Okay. Okay. So, guys, watch here. Okay. So this is the zone, okay, and then the markets, okay, he was talking about sell, so let me use supports. Okay, and right here, okay, there was a strong candle, and this candle was bearish, like a doji candle at this level. Maybe, I don't know if I'm answering your question correctly. That's how I understand your question. Then a candle closed here, and this candle closed not a strong bullish, a bearish candle, but a doji. Okay, a doji candle. Can you enter sell? But before I will answer that question, remember this. Before this level will be broken, there will be bearish candles coming down. So definitely you may get a bearish engulfing here. Okay? For the market to come here, there will be a bearish engulfing or a tweezer top here or an evening star pattern right here. The market will drop to this level. Then it broke the zone with the doji candle. Doji means an indecision. Okay? Doji means an indecision. So if you are basing on that doji candle to sell, you may be in a deep shit. Why? Because it can still reverse. But if the bearish candle closes below, if the closure of that bearish candle, you turn to line chart and you see that it has closed below the line, you will have to draw a line here. If the candle closes below the line, it is a first confirmation that the zone has been broken. But I will advise you, wait and get a strong bearish candle. Okay? Get a strong bearish candle to confirm that the zone has been broken indeed, because a doji candle can fail. I don't rely on doji candles for my confirmation. I use either bearish engulfing, tweezer top, more evening star. These three, major three. Okay? I don't even rely on pin bars for my confirmation. I don't rely on doji for my confirmation. So for a sell, I look out for bearish engulfing, tweezer top, and evening star. These patterns. Alright, so if you see a doji candle here and you want to sell, you have to be careful because it can fail. Bro, let me know if I have answered your question. Now explain it on the resistance, not support. Okay. So on the resistance, the one who asked this question, was this the answer the explanation I gave, does it relate or does it answer to your question? If not, let me know, okay? Because what I read, this is what I think, or this is how I understood your question. So now on the resistance, okay, we have this. And then when the market reached the resistance level, it broke with a doji candle. Are you going to buy or you are going to wait? For me, because that bearish bullish candle closed above the line here, remember most of the time I use lines, okay? So if the candle closes above the line as doji candle, I will not go in yet. I will still wait. Because if it closes doji like that, the next candle has two ways. It's either it will open bearish, okay? It will open bearish and come down, or it will open bullish and goes up. So I will wait for that particular candle to close as well. If that one closes bullish, then it will confirm to me that the zone has now been broken and I can go in and buy. Okay? It closes with bearish doji candle. I think that's what I'm explaining here. Or bearish and curving tweezer, and what? The third one was evening star. Evening star. Thank you. Somebody has even answered for you. Evening star. The answer is solid. All right, bro. Good. Guys, any other question? Hey, guys, have I answered your question? If you have any other question, you can ask. Okay. Sylvia, I gave you an assignment. It's almost 1 hour, 57 minutes to come and sit here. We have talked about the bullish doji. Yes, I have. Bro, it means support and resistance is the best strategy we need to stick and master at it well. But you guys know I trade support and resistance, right? That is the basics of trading. Understand that. If you know how to trade support and resistance, you don't need ICT for anything to make money. You don't need BTMM. You don't know, what's the other one? SMC. You don't need those stuff. Just master support and resistance, master your candlesticks, master breakouts. You are good. With your psychology and your risk management, the money is yours. Okay? Because me, I was learning SMC. Okay? I paid $100 for SMC course. I still have the videos here. I have the videos here. But I learned to a certain level and I was like, but the support and resistance thing still works. So I still chose support and resistance and ignored that one. And you guys will bear with me, it works well, right? So why should I? Saying, everybody's like live paused and there will be a puzzle like something like yeah, something like this, something, until you have to drag this into a space you want to amount. So why the live will end? It's not. And my everybody, as long as I'm doing it, it will still come. So monitor so that the light won't go off. If it does, you'll be in a deep shit. Yeah. Guys, any question? Any question? If you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. Go to the bio and scroll down to PiP Hunter community. That is the Telegram, okay? That is the Telegram channel. You join. From tomorrow, you are going hard. So the month of April, you have to make more money. On to the next. So today we are not going to learn anything again. It's just a breakout. So once you guys understand how these things works, what you have to do is to practice. Practice. If as you are practicing and you find any difficulty, just come to me. I'll help you. Since I taught you here, I'll still help you to understand. Okay? So make sure you backtest, try try. I'm still not satisfied yet. What's your question? What's your question? What's it there? What's your question? Bro, let me know your question. Hey, no. Bro, what's your question? Bro, it's not me. I paid the price. Like, I was serious. I was willing to learn. He was the one who asked the doji something. Oh, okay. Your question, I don't know. I don't know how to answer. Like, let me go back and read. Maybe as I read the question over and over, I may understand. So, wait for breakout, resistance, and confirmation before you enter. Wait for breakout, retrace. Oh, sorry, we say resistance, retrace. Okay, so you wait for breakout, retrace, and confirmation before you enter. Yes, once it breaks like this, once the zone breaks, you have to wait for a retest here. Okay, and for you to be sure that this is indeed a breakout, you have to get a bullish confirmation here. Okay, if you think that this level has been broken, so you are buying and it retraced here, you don't get any buy confirmation. It may be a fake out because maybe the higher time frame didn't break and the higher time frame is still selling. It will hit your stop loss. Okay, so make sure you get a bullish confirmation right here before you push the market high. Bro, have I answered your question? Can you please do a rundown of support and resistance strategy? Hey, maybe not today. Please, are we closing like that, or there is still more to discuss? If there is no question, maybe we are closing. The market has approached a resistance 30 minutes, broke with a body, but H1 with bearish doji. Okay, I think I'm getting the question now. The market has approached a resistance. Okay, so let me draw. Bro, I will advise you pay much attention here. Okay, so we have a resistance right here, and then the market was approaching. Now this is the market. Okay, oh, what happened? Okay, approach the resistance, and 30 minutes candle. 30 minutes candle break the level, but H1 has not broken yet. H1 candle, when H1 closed, it closed doji. Bearish, meaning it will close like this. H1 will close something like a gravestone doji. Yeah, that will be a gravestone because it will have a long wick at the top and a long wick at the bottom and the body. So that will be a gravestone. A gravestone doji is a sign of a sell. It's a sell signal. So if in that scenario, it means that this one is most likely a fake out. Have you seen it? Drag it. Relax now.
Just like that.
Verified. So you are done. Okay. Okay, Abba. The question here is, did it close? Did the H1 candle close? You have to get a line. That is why I was telling you to use line chart. So if you use line charts, your line will be at the top of the resistance. So the question is, did the bearish candle, the doji candle bearish, did it close below? Did it close below the level or above? So bro, answer me that question before. Oh, the network is messing up now. Answer me that question before I will tell you what I have to tell you next. Okay? Leaving a long wick above the resistance, can I enter sell? Yes. Wait for the next H1 candle to close. Please, when will be a meeting again? That is on Wednesday. That's on Wednesday and Thursday. Please, what time exactly do you usually come live? That is every 6 p.m. Mondays, Wednesdays and Thursdays, 3 days in a week. Ghana time, yeah. The doji is below the resistance. If the doji is below the resistance, it's a sell confirmation, bro. It means the 30 minutes was fake out. Okay? So the H1 bearish candle has closed doji, meaning the resistance has been respected and gold sells. So the market is likely to sell down. Okay? That's a resistance here. 30 minutes close bullish above, but H1 closed below. And for H1 to close below, the next 30 minutes candle will also close bearish engulfing. Okay? The H1 candle will close bearish, the 30 minutes candle will close bearish engulfing. How did I know? And this is how I got to know. Let me show you. We have every 1 hour candle formation is 2 30-minute candles, right? Good. So the first 30 minutes candle formed bullish. H1 candle was strong bullish. Okay? And then when the H1 candle closed, this one disappeared. So the whole thing here was bearish, and then it did something like this. This means that this one, the 30 minute time frame, will be like this. Okay? This is how the 30 minutes is going to look like when H1 turns this way. 30 minutes will be this. So you realize that the 30 minutes candle, the first was bullish, but a bearish candle has closed below the zone. That is why you got H1 doji candle below the zone, and hence this confirmation is a sell. Okay? Guys, go to Telegram. You can reach out to me on Telegram. Okay? Reach out to me on Telegram. Friday, I hope. Bearish move or bullish stronger. We are not doing analysis, bro. Fully satisfied. Alright. Alright, good to hear, bro. Guys, any other question? If you haven't joined the Telegram community, go to the bio, scroll down to PiP Hunter community. That's the Telegram. You can join from tomorrow. Good signals are coming your way. If the H1 closes bearish doji, that means 30 minutes is bearish engulfing. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. So guys, any question? Tomorrow we are starting the 1% gang. Okay? The agenda 1% we are starting tomorrow. And I still have 2 slots available. So if you wish to join, you can join. 2 people remaining. Okay? Yeah, so guys, any question? If there is no question, then that's the end of today's session, and we are going to meet again on Wednesday. How do you maintain a growing account? I grow account and I lose it all the time. Okay, I'm going to teach you. I'm going to show you what to do. How possible can we have fake breakouts on higher time frames? Okay, so this is it. For you to see a breakout on higher time frames, what is the higher time frame for you? According to you, what higher time frame are you talking about? Let me know, and then I will know how to handle you. So as you are answering that question, the one blowing account, this is your problem. You have $100, okay? This is your capital. Today you wanted to make $50, okay? You wanted to make $50, so you used 0.2. lot size, and it helped you to make $50, right? With this, it means you close the trade 25 pips. Okay, you made only 25 pips on this, and it gave you $50. So you have $150 now. Okay, now this is it. Tomorrow you are going to use, let's say, 0.4 or 0.5 because your account is growing. So you are going to use 0.4 or 0.5, and this time round this trade will go against you. With 0.4, 10 pips equals to $40. So 20 pips equals to $80, and you are not going to close it. You will still be holding, waiting for the market to come back and give you profit. By the time you realize it is running 45 pips, and 45 pips is $165. Your account is blown. Now you see the reason why you blow account. Like, can we have a fake breakout on H1 or H4? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Okay, we can. And this is it. For you to get H4 fake out, I hope you understand this. So if you want to maintain your $100, always use small lot size consistently. Okay, you are prophesying. Exactly. So you have gotten solution to your problem. Yes, you have H4. Now this is H4. H4 support. Okay, the market is coming down, and then H4 broke out like this. Okay, so you'll be waiting for a pullback. But remember, the day has not ended. Daily time frame has not closed yet. So because daily time frame has not closed yet, and H4 time frame gave you bearish, doesn't mean that bearish will hold. Okay, so a lot of people will wait for a pullback here and sell. But because daily time frame has not closed and the market still wants to end bullish, this one will still go and break this hit stop losses and close above the opening of the bearish candle. That is engulfing filled or filled engulfing, and the market will still go bullish. So this whole shit is a fake out. Lagging. Okay, maybe it's the network. Which broker can we use? Oh, you can use it. Or if you are having XNex, BD Swiss, or I have all in my bio. You can use unlimited what do you call it? Unlimited leverage, or if you want it to 2,000, you can open 0.2. You can even open 0.4, $100. If you have the heart, you can open 0.4, $100. Okay. Thank you, bro. Another satisfaction. Congratulations. I'm glad you understand. How can I transition from SMC to your strategy? Brief guide. It's simple. It's simple. Just learn the support and resistance, and you are good. Okay, that's what I do. I trade support and resistance, supply and demand, TSL. That's all. Guys, any question? Thank you, bro. Another satisfaction. Is it possible to grow $1 account? Yeah, some people are doing it. Bro, I think market structure also has to be considered. Exactly. Exactly. Because for you to get that failed H4 engulfing, it means that there is a particular demand right here which you didn't see, or even a trend line. Okay, there will be a support, a strong support somewhere. You did not see it, so the market just respected that level and pushed up. So it's not coincidence for this thing to happen. That's why we said for a fake out to happen, there is nothing like just a normal fake out. Sometimes news and sentiments can give you a fake out. Okay, news can give you a fake out, sentiments can also give you fake out, but under normal circumstance, before a fake out there is a reason. That's what you need to understand. Trading bots, I have plenty of them, but I'll stop using them. Some works, some doesn't work. So you should know, okay? Some works, some doesn't. Guys, any question? Please ask question related to what we are doing today. Will you advise we use it? I will not advise you. Gain the skills, then let indicators and bots become your secondary tool when you are not around. Don't rely on them. They will mess your life. For me, I was using both. I have Alpha Striker V3. I have Alpha Striker US30. I have what's the name? Gold Pro. I have about 6 EAs, but I've stopped using all of them because I was even making more money than the boat. And me myself, I trade full time. So why should I give the account to the boat to trade? What am I going to do the whole day? Will I be sleeping? Or will I do? So I dumped them and I decided to trade my own. Please, what time frame should I use? Before I will answer your question, what kind of a trader are you? Any advice on how to discipline oneself on stop loss, because I keep blowing up? If you keep blowing up your stop loss, do you play stop loss or you don't play stop loss at all? We have something I taught you guys about 5 deadly oaths in trading. Do you guys remember? I think the video is still on my profile. You can go scroll, and you are going to see it. I made a video on this, and we have 5 deadly oaths. And the first O is over trading, over leveraging, overriding stop loss, overconfidence, and what again? Over trading, over leveraging, overriding stop loss, overconfidence. I can't over Barco, I've forgotten. The 5th one. I've forgotten the 5th one. Maybe I think. I don't remember, guys. I don't remember. I've forgotten. Actually. Okay. Overconfidence, over leveraging, overriding stop loss. Okay. So the last one is over risking. Yeah. So these are 5 deadly oaths in trading. If you do any of these, you cannot go anywhere. Over analyzing. You guys funny. Who is that? Please, what time frame should I use? I asked you a question. You couldn't answer. I cannot answer your question. What kind of a trader are you? I'm a scalper. Please, what time frame? If you're a scalper, start your analysis from H1. You don't need daily time frame for anything. So if you're a scalper, start your analysis from H1, 30 minutes. Then 15 minutes, you mark your zones. 5 minutes, 1 minute, your entries for a scalper. Overanalyzing. That's funny. Okay, so guys, let me give you a brief about this, and then I'll come to the end of today's class because even my battery is at 17%. So overtrading simply means it's not about trading multiple times in the day. That's not all about overtrading. Overtrading also means that your setup You are not seeing anything, but you still want to trade. According to your confirmations, your confluences and everything, you have no entry. Okay? Instead of you to close and go and sleep, you will still force yourself and trade over trading. You have hit your daily targets. Instead of you to close for the day, oh, let me go and make another $5. Let me go and make another $10. Oh, let me go and make another $50. Oh, let me go and make another this. Oh, let me go and this. Oh, I found a nice setup. Oh, this one, let me kill it. I found a nice setup. Let me do this. Over trading. It will mess your life. Over leveraging. You are using $100 account and you are using 1:2,000 leverage. So that, just like someone asked, so that you'll be able to use 0.4. Just 20 pips, you have margin call. Over leveraging. Overriding stop loss. You have your stop loss. Where's my duster? Overriding, now I'm done with over trading. I'm clearing it. Over leveraging, these are brief about them, okay? So, overriding stop loss. I gave you gold buy. Gold buy at 22.22 to 22.19. Stop loss at 22.17. Okay? And the market is coming, the market is now at 22.17.5. Instead of you to wait for your stop loss to be hit, you'll be like, oh no, I can't afford to lose this money. So you change your stop loss to 22.15. Have you seen what you've done? And as soon as you change your stop loss to 22.15, my stop loss will be hit at 22.17. And after my stop loss hits, the market will go up. Oh, Charlie, I'm smart. My stop loss didn't hit. So I came back to profit. I have made money. Congratulations. Tomorrow, I'll give another signal. Gold buy and stop loss, bam. The same thing will happen. Oh, yesterday I enjoyed. I will enjoy today. So the trade, I was in bad streaks. I was in losing streaks. Okay, just like some months ago, I was experiencing losing streaks. So my stop loss was about to hit again, and due to your smartness, you still change your stop loss to 22.15. Okay, you are smart. My stop loss was hit. The market came to 22.16.5. Was coming to 22.16. Chale. $200. You are now running $98 loss. Chale, I can't afford to lose this. I can't afford to lose. I swear. So you change your stop loss to 22.13. You want to be safe. Now, there will be some sentiments, crazy movement, and gold will drop all the way to 22.11. Where are you? Bro, where are you? Your account is gone, right? Congratulations. Yeah, so that is overriding stop loss. That is another one reason people lose their account. Yeah, so I have done it before. Let me tell you one thing. Everything you are going through, I have been there. Don't forget that. The fourth one is over-risking. Over-risking and over-leveraging, they go hand in hand. Because if you don't have more leverage, you cannot take high risk. Okay? So I'm not going to talk about them. The last one is overconfidence. Yeah. The last one is overconfidence. What is overconfidence? Bro, this particular setup, I'm waiting. as soon as it comes there, the way I was stacking, the market will beg me for forgiveness, I swear. So you sat down and waited and waited and waited. Then eventually the market came to your zone. Oh God, oh. Somebody should hold my hand. You just add pressure machine. You put your thumb on the buy and you put pressure machine there, so it was just like this, pa 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 pa, until you had not enough free margin to open more positions, because you believe the setup such that, bro, at this point it can never. Hey, I remember one guy I met last year January, February there, and this guy gave me 20k account from MFF to trade. Okay, and you see, that time I wasn't even done with my studies, so but I was still trying to trade, and I was going back and forth. I don't blow the account, but I make profit today. Tomorrow I will lose the profit. I'll come back to break even. This guy said, bro, you are delaying too much. So let me trade. That guy has been in Forex for like, it was less than 5 months or 3 months, but I don't remember. He's a Nigerian. So he told me, bro, let me handle the account. And I said, okay. So I wake up one morning and 20k account, I saw that he has opened, I think 1.7 lot size, 4 positions. 2 was on gold, 1 was GBP, JPY, and the other one I've forgotten. I think GBP CAT or GBP CHF. Okay, and the trade was running in profit. Oh, bro, as if I don't know anything. As if I don't know anything, because can you imagine, this guy took the account some few minutes and he's running like $1,200 profit. I told him, bro, with this your lot size, if the trade goes against you, you'll be in the deep shit. Do you know what he said? Bro, I know what I'm doing, and this setup can never fail. That was exactly his statement. It can never fail. I was like, oh really? Okay, that's fine. So I left him. The trade went about 1,800 profit, and he still didn't close. Why? Because he wanted that setup alone to finish the account, so that he would tell me that I used 1 day to finish the account. You used more than 1 week, and you still came back to break even. So he left the account, went back to do whatever he wants to do. I went later to check the account, and it was running 1,900 and something loss. All the profit was gone. Now it was running in loss. He lost the account that same day. Okay? So for you to say it can never, it is funny. Don't just take certain crazy risk because you trust the setup with your whole life. You'll be in a deep shit. Okay? So be careful with such trade. Be careful. Another overconfidence isn't about that alone. Exactly. Greed also comes to play. Another one is that it goes with greed. The overconfidence goes with greed. Some way, somehow. You are in profit. Okay? Close your position, because the age you are buying, and there is a resistance here, which is telling you the sellers are getting into the market. But you'll be like, oh, according to my analysis, the market has to get here, so I will hold my position. Overconfidence. You will be there, the market will still come to your break even, or it will go and hit your stop loss, because the strong resistance will break your zone. Overconfidence. Okay? So guys, these are the things you need. The word for today, deep shit. So these are the 5 deadly O's you should stay away from as a trader. I'm tired. Any question? If you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. Don't forget. Any question before I close for the day? Because I'm tired and my battery is at 11%. Congratulations, bro. So guys, tomorrow we are starting the 1% a week with your prop firm account. So far, all the 8 people, it's left with just one person. I've passed all the accounts for them already. So tomorrow they are all starting to trade live. Okay, if you want to join, this is it. This is what I'm doing. For those of you who just came, I have a group where each and every one is trading 1% of your account size the whole week. Say, sir, I know it is more. I know it's more, but bro, this is the catch. If you are trading 1% a week, I trade with HFT Pro firms, where they allow you to use HFT bots to pass your prop firm and get funded. And with these people, they are one shit people in the world. Believe me. If you make more profit, they will not pay you. But it is stress-free, according to me. Like the way I see it, this is stress-free. You use HFT bot, pass your account, you get live account. So after getting the live account, I guide you to trade 1% a day, a week, the whole week. So that's what I do. The whole week I trade 1%. Let me show you. They paid me today. Let me show you. Kortana paid me today. One of my accounts. One of my accounts. Deposit. Yeah. So yeah, funded account. Funded account. Alright, so that's what I'm doing. I help you just trade 1% a week. The whole 21 days you are going to make 3%. And they pay either 50%, 70% or 80% to you. You use part of the profit to buy another account. I will pass for you, so you get 2 funded accounts. The following month you buy another account. So every single month you are buying a new account with that particular first account you bought. Okay, that's what I'm doing. And if you want to be part, you are paying $100. Okay, you are paying $100, and I'm going to give you a trade copier, because if you are having multiple accounts, you cannot be trading them one by one. So I give you a trade copier whereby you place one trade in one account and automatically it will be placed on all the accounts. Alright, so I'll give you that one. I'll also give you trade panel, which you can use to manage your trades. Okay, those of you who know how to use trade panel, you know how it is. I'll give you that one as well. And also the HFT bot, I'm not going to give it to you, but all the accounts you are buying from this April to December, I'm passing them for free for you without you paying for any passing fee. Alright, so this is what I'm doing for people. 10 people, and so far 8 people have registered already, and it's left with 2. So this is the group here. That is it. Agenda 1%. I have a class with them in the next 1 hour. Okay, yeah, so you see 8 people, so it's left with 2. I have class with them in the next 49 minutes. So if you want to be part, you just come to me and then I will add you. You are paying $100 like I said, and that's all. You are done. You are not paying anything again. The next you get your account ready, and then you can go. Okay, please, last question. I want to trade full-time and quit my job. Any advice? If you are ready to go through the hard times, or if you have a sponsor, it is good. I started as a full-time trader right from day 1 till now. That was July 2022 till date. I haven't done any other work apart from this, learning trading. So I'm not even up to 2 years, but you can see I have gained enough. I was a full-time learner and a full-time trader. If you want to make that kind of sacrifice, you can, but it comes with a huge task. How can I join and how much? You are paying $100 and you buy your account, I pass for you, then you are in. Okay, so we are starting the 1% tomorrow. If I get any setup, we trade. Once we hit 1% the week, we are done. Okay, we don't trade again till the next week. So guys, if you want to be part, you can just contact me and then you are good to go. Okay, what about if you fail passing the account? We don't fail. HFT 100%. Okay, HFT is 100%. It doesn't fail. HFT is 100%. It doesn't fail. Okay, and within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, your account is passed. Remember, it is only prop firms that allow HFT. Kortana, Quantec, Next Step Funding, Nova Funding, Talented Trader, Real Trader Funds. There are plenty. I use Kortana, so Kortana paid me today. Your thought on NFP? That will be, I will talk about NFP, let's say on Wednesday or Thursday. So wait for that. Okay. HFT simply means high frequency trading. It is a boat, okay, and that boat passes a challenge within few minutes, and it has passed the challenge. So today I passed through 10K for people, and it didn't take more than 5 minutes to pass. Okay, it didn't take more than 5 minutes to pass. That's what we have. We don't have money, so later we will come. No worries, anytime. But maybe once we get the 10 people, the next session will be next year. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you all for coming. If you have any question, meet me on Telegram. Okay, because I have 8% battery left. So I'm signing out now. If you have any question concerning anything, meet me on Telegram. You can also get my WhatsApp number on my bio. Okay, you can get my WhatsApp number on my profile. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp as well. Next year is long, yes, but I don't want to be stressed. That's why I want just 10 people. So guys, thank you all for being here. God willing, tomorrow is for some people. So Wednesday, we are going to meet again on Wednesday, and I will drop the question we are going to trade. Do you do copy trading? I think yes. If you are interested, you can join. I need only the next 2 people. You are paying $100, don't forget. Then you buy your account, 100K, 50K, 25, 10K, 200. I'll pass for you. You get your live account, you start trading. Okay? So just got to contact me on Telegram and let's get started. Okay? So guys, thank you all. If you want to ask any question, just come to my bio, or you can WhatsApp me, or you can go to Telegram and I'll be there to respond to you. Right, so until then, I will see you all tomorrow and have a nice day. Oh fuck, I'm tired.